and out of the box website looks amazing. See, the before it was something like this, very blank, nothing is there. Now your website has some structure. Hey guys, Hardy here from eComHardy.com, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to add the website to your Bluehost hosting plan. So if you do not have Bluehost, then feel free to check it out, my affiliate link, which provide the best discount ever you will find anywhere else. Go to eComHardy.com/Bluehost, but if you have the Bluehost hosting plans, congratulations, simply go to the Bluehost admin panel, which will look something like this one. So once you are on the Bluehost account page, simply go to the websites, and the website page will look something like this one. If you do not have the website created yet, do not worry, simply go and select the add site. So click to that button, add site, and here you will have two options: install WordPress or transfer an existing WordPress, or empty environment. So you can use other environment to create the website like Joomla, etc. But definitely WordPress website creation is more easier and most convenient way. So we select either the install WordPress or transfer existing WordPress options. In this case, because we are creating new WordPress installation and new WordPress website, simply select that option and continue. And then here you give the site a title. In this case, we're gonna write tutorial site. But in your case, you can write anything like or your business name and then simply continue. Now you have two options. Simply add your existing domain name. Like if you have already purchased the domain name from different domain registrar, or if you are planning to purchase through Bluehost, you can always add the domain name here, or you can use the temporary domain. So in my case, I will select that, but in your case, you can always add that thing. And then once you enter the detail like domain name of your website.com, etc., simply select continue, and it will start installing the WordPress to your website. It may take few seconds to a few minutes, so stay tuned. Wait for the WordPress installation, and once it has been installed, it will look something like this. So site is created now, WordPress is installed, login into WordPress. Simply select that button or click to that button, and it will open up the funny link. Don't worry, you can always redirect your name servers to the particular domain afterwards. So if you do not know, you can always contact the Bluehost customer care and they will guide you. Now once you open the link, you see here, welcome to the WordPress. WordPress has been installed, powered by Bluehost. Here there are three options: AI site creator, which I do not trust yet because it doesn't create that good looking website. What I do is I would rather say, I am following tutorial, take me to the WP admin dashboard. In your case, if you want to import the WordPress from different WordPress website, then you can click to this option as well. But in most cases, simply select this option and it will open up the WordPress admin dashboard. Now, once you have this handy, what you can do is simply go to the appearance here, select appearance and themes. I would rather go to WordPress.org themes, so free themes, select free theme option, and the best free theme option is Astra. Install, activate, and Astra has good theme templates as well. So next what you can do is go to Astra and dashboard, and here go to starter templates. Simply install and activate. By the way, I haven't used this template and built the website yet. So let us check how does the website look like right now. So what I'll do is I go back to Bluehost and simply select to the URL, click to URL link, and it will open up the front end, which will look something like this, which is very empty. Nothing is there, no sample page. Even the sample page, if you click, it is basic. So we want to customize this website and we want to develop from the template. Less headache and make the process faster. So what we'll do is simply select any of these two. Instead of build with AI, we will go with the build with templates. You can use any of these builders: Block, Editor, Elementor, or Beaver. My go-to choice is Elementor because it's much easier to use and very quick to manage. Go with Elementor if you are using for the first time. So Elementor, start syncing the templates. Now you have hundreds of templates available here, but there would be free templates available as well, which are limited. You just simply search according to your business, and let's go through the business options here. So if I make e-commerce website, then I simply go to e-commerce and online shop. If I'm making the clothing store or jewelry store, I select accordingly. Let's create the sport store this time. So select sport store and you will get this bunch of templates. You see here premium, that means it's paid template, but if you select any of the other templates, those are free. So this one, if I open up, it looks something like this. Nice banner and then products. Out of the box, this template looks amazing. So what I'll do is I simply change the palettes. I prefer these palettes, and also the fonts. I would go with this font. You can always upload your logo here. So right now I do not have any logo, so I'll keep the default logo, but upload the logo from here and then continue. And then you select the relevant options. So e-commerce feature, it will install the WooCommerce by itself, which is good. And if you don't want to use WooCommerce, you can always use the alternative, which is SureCart, but WooCommerce is the free option and better option. Now, apart from that, I would leave everything blank and continue. Give your first name, eComHardy tutorials, and you can select intermediate or beginner or expert, depends on your expertise. I would say myself, understand, and then build. Here you add the email address. By the way, you can always change this email address later, so you just use any email address you want and then simply submit and build my website. This will take few minutes to build your website and make it good looking. So let's see how does it look like. So your website is ready now. You can always click to view your website, so simply select that and it will open up the front end. And out of the box, website looks amazing. See, before it was something like this, very blank, nothing is there. Now your website has some structure and looks good. So if I click to the product page will look something like this one. By the way, you can always change these palettes or colors of the background, so do not worry. And then let me click add to cart, view cart. Wow, the cart looks good. You can change the cart, you can update the cart, and now you can check out, and the checkout page looks something like this one, which is good. And because we haven't added the payment method, it says sorry, no payment method available, which is okay. Now let me go to the dashboard, and if you see, there would be like Stripe account. So by default, they have added all the relevant plugins which is required to use the e-commerce website functionality, which is great. You just have to connect the payment methods. You have to go to the pages and you have to make some changes to the pages as well. So make sure you add the privacy policy, make sure you review that, make some addition. Check out my video on how to create the privacy policies and other policy pages with the help of ChatGPT and AI. So don't miss that video, feel free to check it out. Once all the pages are created, edit the page is simple. So simply go to the front end of the website. Just imagine if I want to edit this page, I can go and select the edit with Elementor, click to that, and I can make some changes to the page. So just imagine if I want to make some change to this title, simply select that, best offer of hot summer. 25% instead of that, I want to give 45% off all products. You can add the link, etc. And then once you finish making some changes, you can always publish that. So your website is kind of ready. You just need to connect your domain to the Bluehost. So simply contact Bluehost customer service. They will guide you. Once everything is ready, you can start accepting payments, start selling the products. You go back, go to the WooCommerce here, add the product. So go to all products. You can check out the demo products as well from here. You can always select all and delete all the demo products, move to trash, and then you can add your products one by one. So what I can do is simply add new product, and you can create your own product. Give a name to the product, give a description, add the photos to the product, price and everything. It is very easy to create the website with WordPress using Bluehost hosting services. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment me in the comment box below, and I will love to answer you as soon as possible. So hope you like this video, and if it's so, thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel. Till next time, take care. See ya. Bye bye.